Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make pom-poms like this. This one turned out pretty good. This, I only did 20 wraps, so this one I should have done 30. So I'm going to make this one. My mom, she claimed this. She says, I want that, I want that. I said, okay. So I'm going to make for her. I'm going to use 4 fingers to wrap. As you know, I said on the previous video, I have tools to make pom-poms, but I don't know where they are. I never used it. And when you need them, they're not around. I'm sure they're somewhere here, but you know, for fast, if you just want to wrap it fast as you can. If you want to make something like this, I'll show you as well. But this one, I'm just going to make it a bit bigger for her. I do have a tutorial, but let me just show you how to make it this way, because I'm going to make another one. I have plenty of this yarn, and I might make that for one myself. So what you need to do is, with the 3 finger, I'm going to make it this big, and then I'll show you how to make it a bigger one. So with the 3 finger, this is how I do it. So I wrap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, on this one I made 20, but 20 was not enough. As you can see, it's not fluffy. Well, it's not bad, but it's not like this one. So I'm going to make 10 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. I'm going to cut my yarn. I'm going to hold it in the middle. And you need a scissor like this, a tailor scissor. Something sharp. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this. Okay. And I'm going to hold it like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut a yarn to tie. Something like this, not too long, because I'm going to be weaving it later on. Okay, so I'm going to move these because I'm going to trim it later. That's the magic. You need to trim it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here, right in the middle. You don't need any cardboard. You don't need any tool, just your fingers. So I tie this like that. Okay. And I turn around and I tie it right here as well. Tie as much as I can, and I'm going to make another knot. And then we're done. So this is secure. So with this sharp, we're going to be cutting these right in the middle. So just like this. Some can be short. Some can be long. No worries, because we're going to trim this. And hold these 2. Don't cut these, because we're going to tie it later on. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. And then shake this. You will have something ugly like this. And now we're going to start trimming. Okay, what I do is, from the bottom here, I trim those a little bit shorter. Like this. Shorter. And I did 30. If you're going to make it bigger, then you can make it 40. 40 wraps. And then I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to trim it. Just like this. See, these weren't cut properly. Cut this a little bit short, and then hold it like this and start trimming. We're giving it a haircut. So this one was 30 wraps. You can make it 40, even 50. This is acrylic. the gray one that I showed and the green one are cotton blend. And then the more you're turning it around, you will see the uneven ones. We're trimming it. Shake it. You can brush it if you want. I don't have a brush right now with me. Just wanted a small pom-pom for my... See? Isn't this fantastic? And this is how you make a small pom-pom. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a bigger one. And this one, I said I'm going to use 4 fingers, but I'm going to use a little bit more than that. And you can continue trimming this. It's endless. See? Just fantastic. Look at it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Like I said, if you don't have your tool, the tool, I'm sure it's easy. I don't know. I had never used it. I think I bought it, I don't know how many years ago. Every time I need it, I can't find it. So for the bigger one, I'm going to use 5 fingers. Okay. Yeah, let me show you how well, I'm going to do the big one because the small one, I'm going to make one for myself. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to use 4 fingers, but I'm going to make it loosely, like open it a bit like this. So my mom, she wanted big pom-pom. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. 10. Just did an extra. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this. And then I'm going to cut a little bit long on this one as well. And then we're going to do the same method. This one's a bit bigger. Yeah, I already have a tutorial, but I just wanted to redo it because the quality then wasn't that good. My video quality. Even I had a Canon. I paid a fortune for it. It was always blurry. Okay. Now what I'm using, I'm just using my cell phone camera. Yeah. So, put it in the middle and tie it. This has to be right in the middle. And then turn around and repeat that. I double knot it just to be on the safe side. Tight as I can. Okay, now hold these 2. We're not going to cut this because we're going to be sewing it on the hat. Okay, so cut. Nothing professional. It's amateur. My grandmother, they used to do it on cardboard. They would find cardboards. Like, why? This is way easy. Open it up if you missed any. So we're going to start trimming this one as well. This how this one's big. So I'm going to start trimming. I'm going to give this to my mom. So again, where the yarn is where I tied it, I'm cutting that part short. And then I will... Okay, so I'm gonna start trimming, I said, and then I got cut, sorry about that. Okay, so I don't want to trim it that short. And yeah. Even I wrapped it several times. It looks like it's not that full. Shake it while you're trimming. Then you continue trimming. This is going to take me a while, so I'm just going to pause and work on this. Be right back. Here is the pom-pom. I've been working on it for a while. Okay, so what you need to do is this hole right here. I know it's tiny. I'm just going to grab a needle from here. Okay, I bought these from Temu. These are just fantastic. I would highly recommend these long needles. So the tiny ones, I hate them because they never work. Okay, so doesn't this look nice? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna, because I can't tie it this way, I'm going to secure it from here. So just use the other side, just like this. And then I grab the other side. And then I just pull it and I'm done. So what I just need to do is I just need to tie this so it won't move around. And then what I do is I weave. See, when I was a kid, mine was huge and it would always come to the front. So the way they did it, this was like in the 70s. I weave this one as well. I put a button on this one. I don't know. I weave this one. It's not noticeable at all. So this one, I do the same thing. I weave it, and then I secure it. Well, I already tied it, so nothing's going to happen. So this is what I do. And then I continue weaving this, just like this. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's just a short tutorial to make a pom-pom. If you don't have the tool, like me, you have the tool, but you never used it and you can't find it. It's so funny. And I do the same thing on the other side. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. That can be shorts, live, I do it once in a while, podcasts I do once a month. I do the short videos, shorts I have daily. I try to post after YouTube asking me, recommending me to do shorts. So I started doing shorts. Well, I always posted on Instagram, and TikTok, so I'm sharing that on my YouTube channel as well. So I will let you go. And if you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. I try to look at my comments often because I disabled it. I get lots of weird comments, negative comments, so I don't want any negativity in my channel, for my channel. So this is how you do the pom-pom. And fluffy though. So this is going to be gifted to my mom. And I'm going to make one for myself. Well, this is going to be a winter hat. Like, these are cottons. And this can be worn anytime throughout the year. You guys take care. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.